Meaning of hankie.
hankie,
Hankie.
hankie,
Hankie. Hankie is a shortened form of the word handkerchief, which is a small piece of fabric used for wiping one's nose or face. Typically made of cotton or linen, they come in various sizes and styles, with decorative embroidery or monograms being popular. Hankies are often carried in one's pocket or purse for easy access when needed. While they were more commonly used in the past, many people still use and appreciate them as a stylish and functional accessory. Overall, a hankie serves as a practical solution to hygiene needs while adding a touch of elegance to one's attire.